Hello friends, and welcome to today's mathematics class. In today's class, we are going to solve this radical equation, okay? This is a radical equation. We are asked to solve the square root of 9x plus the square root of 4x equal to square root of 50. So whenever you are asked to solve, it simply means there is an unknown in that equation which you are required to find. So now let us go. Solution. So we're going to be applying the laws of a surd. So we're having square root of 9x then plus square root of 4x. So the same thing, it can become the root of 9 multiplying square root of x. So we distribute it, then plus the square root of 4 multiplying the square root of x equal to square root of 50. So let us go. Remember that square root of 9 is 3, so that here becomes 3 root x, okay? Then plus square root of 4 is 2. We have 2 roots x as well. Now equal to the square root of 50. So now let's go. We can as well break down this root 50 to also to be like this, square root of 25 times the square root of 2, okay? So that we can have 5 root 2. Well, let's go as we begin to solve, okay? So here becomes, since it's the same root according to surd, to give us 5 root x now equal to. Now let us work with what is here. Let us also simplify this one. This will now give us 5 root 2. So which now give us 5 root 2. Okay. Now we are going to divide both sides by 5 here. Divide both sides by 5 now. Divide both sides by 5. So here and here, this one takes care of each other. So here now we're having root x equal to the root of 2. So by comparison, x equal to 2. But if you don't know that, what you can do now is to square both sides, okay? To eliminate the root is to square both sides. You can just square both sides, okay? We already know that the answer is 2 for the sake of the learners. So we have to square both sides. Become the root of x, then you square it equal to the root of 2, then all squared. So if we square this now, this will take care of the roots. Take care, so your s equal to what? 2. You can verify your solution to check if you are correct. Now let us plug in these values into this original radical equation. So if the answer at the end of the day, what we have on the left hand side here gives us the right hand side, it means we are correct. Now let's go. Now let us check if our solution is correct, okay? Check. So our checking now, we're having left hand side 9 root x, okay, square root of 9x plus square root of 4x. So if at the end of the day, after putting the value of x into this left hand side, if it gives us the right hand side, it means we are right. So here becomes the square root of 9 times 2, okay, that is plus the next one, the square root of 4 times 2. Let us see if we are going to have the right hand side. So here becomes 3 root 2 plus, here becomes 2 root 2. Here we can have 5 root 2, okay? 5 root 2. Now let us break this one into surd. Let us simplify this to become a full surd. So what does it mean? It means for us to have 5, so a number already had a square root, so 5 should be a perfect square. So which means the square root of perfect square, the square root of 5 squared, you see the same thing as 5, okay? So to make everything to become a single surd now, so it means we are going to replace here square root of 5 squared, which is 25, okay? So this becomes the square root of 25 multiplying the square root of 2. So which leads us square root of 50. So it means your solution is correct. I hope you enjoyed this class. If that is correct, please help us to share this post so we can get to greater number of students on this platform. Bye.